Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest medical videos.
Hello guys, today I am going to talk about a topic called as carpal tunnel syndrome causes. What are the causes of the carpal tunnel syndrome? We'll know. Okay, before that you must know what is carpal tunnel syndrome. Okay, why it occurs. I'm just briefly telling about this, the anatomical aspects and all. Okay, see, this is our hand and this is the carpal tunnel. Okay guys, this is the carpal tunnel. You can see just below the carpal tunnel, median nerve. This nerve, this yellowish nerve, this is the median nerve. This median nerve passes below the carpal tunnel. Okay, so if the carpal tunnel will get compressed, it will also compress the median nerve also, or due to any tumor or any other causes, if the median nerve in the hand will compress, then it leads to pain and numbness, tingling sensation in the palms and the fingers. Okay, so this is known as carpal tunnel syndrome. Fine, you can see as the median nerve is compressed, so less loss of sensation to the thinner muscles. These are the thinner muscles. See how the thinner muscle gets atrophied due to loss of sensation from the median nerve. Fine. Here also same thing you can see, or you can make it. Then I am telling the definition. What do you mean by carpal tunnel syndrome is it is a compression of the median nerve, or it is a condition that causes numbness, tingling or weakness in your hand. It happens because of pressure on your median nerve. Fine. Then you should remember what are the causes of the carpal tunnel syndrome. That is very important PG aspects. Okay, so remember how you should remember is you should remember a term called as median trap. Median trap. That's it. M for myxedema. Due to a disease called as myxedema, carpal tunnel can occur. E for edema. Due to edema of the upper limb or hand, carpal tunnel syndrome may occur. Due to diabetic mellitus. I for idiopathic. The cause is not known. Due to unknown cause also carpal tunnel syndrome may occur. Due to acromegaly, where the pituitary hormone secretes so much of growth hormone and other types of hormone. So that also carpal tunnel syndrome may occur. Due to neoplasm, due to some cancerous condition or due to tumor of the hand, carpal tunnel syndrome occurs. Due to trauma also, the median nerve get compressed, so carpal tunnel syndrome occurs. Due to rheumatoid arthritis, due to amyloidosis, and P for pregnancy. Pregnancy also induces carpal tunnel syndrome in some cases. Fine. So if you remember the term median trap, then you can able to write the causes of the carpal tunnel syndrome. Fine. And I have briefly discussed about the anatomy and how the carpal tunnel syndrome makes the patient's hand. Okay, fine. This is all about carpal tunnel syndrome's causes. We'll see in next video. Thank you.